Is your life insurance policy obsolete? Yeah, it's a pretty interesting question, isn't it? That's a very strong word. So let's look into it and let's find out. So what do I mean by obsolete as it pertains to life insurance? Well, in recent years, and especially if you've owned your policy for a while, we've seen new features and benefits that are now coming oftentimes standard on existing life insurance chassis that are being made available to people at no additional cost. They buy the policy and they've got a lot more stuff that's included for the price than the policy that you might be on right now. Some examples of that are living benefits. Imagine getting access to some of the death benefit if you're ever diagnosed with a triggering event like heart attack, stroke, cancer, etc. How about being able to access the cash value in your policy without having to worry about the interest rate just eating up your death benefit and the remaining cash in the policy? In other words, a wash loan. How about being able to add a long-term care rider or getting a absolutely rock-solid conversion policy that will allow you to convert to something in case your health changes for the worst? Those are the things that I'm talking about features and benefits. And if you're in an older policy, there's a good chance that many of them never existed when you had a chance to take them out. And if they did, they were only available for you to purchase, sometimes at a very expensive rate. So now, whenever you look at these things, you're on a policy that does not do what the new ones do. And unfortunately, when these new policies and benefits come out, they do not add them to yours retroactively. You're literally going to stay on that old contract until you roll forward. You know what an interesting question to this is? Why has nobody told you about this before? Click on to the next slide and let's take a look and discover whether your policy is outdated.